In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with n8n. First, make sure you're logged into your n8n account. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the option to create a new workflow. This is usually easy to spot near the top of the screen. Go ahead and create a new workflow, so we're starting from a blank canvas. When your empty workflow opens, you'll see an option to add your first step or node. Click on that. This is where we'll define how n8n will connect to Notion and what should happen when something changes in your Notion workspace. A search bar will appear so you can choose what kind of node you want to add. In that search field, start typing Notion. As you type, n8n will filter the available integrations. When you see the Notion node appear in the list, click on it to add it to your workflow. By default, you'll usually be prompted to choose what this Notion node should do. In this case, we want to use it as a trigger so that changes in Notion can start the workflow automatically. Make sure the operation or resource is set to a trigger option, or select the trigger choice again if needed. Next, you'll see a field to select a database. This tells n8n which Notion database it should watch for changes. Before you can choose a database, you need to connect your Notion account as a credential in n8n. Click on the option to add your credential. A panel or modal will open where you can connect to Notion. Inside that panel, click on the button to connect to Notion. This will open Notion's authorization screen, where you'll be asked to grant access to n8n. Choose the workspace and pages or databases you want n8n to work with, then confirm. Once the connection is successful, close the authorization window, and then close the credential panel in n8n. Now, back in the Notion trigger node, open the database drop-down again. Your Notion databases should now be visible. Select the specific database you want to integrate with. After selecting it, confirm or save that selection. To make sure everything is working correctly, click on Test this trigger. n8n will check the connection and try to pull in sample data from your Notion database. Finally, follow any on-screen prompts that appear. These might guide you through confirming events, saving the workflow, or enabling it so it starts reacting to changes in your Notion database. Once that's done, your Notion n8n integration is ready to use.